Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Maribel Rosal, 48 years old. I have five children, ages 24, 21, 19, 15, and 12. I'm not married but have live-in partner. I finished 2 years vocational course and graduated in 1998. My previous work in Kuwait in 2015 up to 2017. I work for a couple with one child. Their house type is apartment with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, one living room, and one kitchen. My main duties is cleaning, washing laundry, ironing, and buying groceries. If I am free, I played with a child. My second job also in Kuwait year 2017 up to January 2025. They have 6 members of a family. Their children's ages 15, 13, 8, and 6. Their house type is apartment with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, one small living room, and one small kitchen. My main duties are taking care of the children, preparing them to school, and feed them. After sending them to school, I'm doing household chores, cleaning, ironing, and preparing their food. If there's no school, we are going to playground or to the friend's house to play. Mom, sir, if you give me a chance to work in your family, I promise to love your children as my own child. Thank you so much and see you soon.